Hey guys, come with me to Aspire. This is one of the most growing tour in the US and it has so much inspirations and also famous keynote speaker here today, and we was really excited to actually come here for the first time to attend in downtown Los Angeles. And I just wanted to bring you with me to share and let you enjoy the speak and also how's the hype about and everything I learned from Aspire tour or conference today. And I actually will go back to a Monday class, master class on this weekend. So stay tuned for more.
Acclaimed international keynote speaker and best-selling author renowned for her roles as Mary Delgado in Jersey Boys, along with West Side Story and Pretty Woman the musical. She's co-hosted Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi's World Summit and spoke recently at the 2020.
I said, how powerful has this day been so far?
Author, actress Renee Marino.
Renee Marino.
Renee Marino.
Renee Marino.
Renee Marino.
Renee Marino.
Renee Marino of Linden, TEDx speaker and best-selling author.
She does it all.
I
don't know about you, but I feel good.
feel good. How do you feel? How do you feel? Welcome, Aspire LA! My name is Renee Marino, and I am your MC, your guide for this game-changing, power-packed, full-day event. Now, keep those moves. I see you, girl. Woo! Hands over your head. Play hard, work hard, play hard. Come on, 7, 8. Come on, we can do a little toe out, toe out. Yes, I see you.
How do I take what I've learned and taught my professional athletes and translate it to the business world? I'm proud of being able to create wins for myself and for numerous individuals. We're all competitors. We all want to win. In the business world, there is no off season. I'm not a motivational speaker. If you're already here, you're already motivated. I'm about elevating. I'm about winning.
I think he's the best in the world.
Yeah?
His name is Tim Grover.
Oh, I know you've been working with a trainer with Tim Grover. Now, are you physically feeling some benefits from that?
Yeah, I feel great. This is the best I've felt this late in the season, my whole career.
Over the next person, over the next person. And everyone's trying to find their niche. And for a lot of guys, that's come down here to Chicago, they understand that Tim can help take them to the next level.
I don't teach mindset. It's too many thoughts, ideas in your head that have you overthinking with no action. A lot of individuals can deliver wins for themselves, but can you deliver ultimate wins for other individuals over and over again? Take a person or take a group of individuals from good to great to unstoppable and to the ultimate pinnacle of winning. I'm Tim Grover. I'm that unexpected turbulence. Buckle up.
Ladies and gentlemen, just like we did before, get on your feet, come on, and welcome to the stage, the one, the only, Tim Grover!
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. All right, how awesome is this? So, it's early in the morning. I see we got a packed house. But what we got to do is we got to
elevate the energy for all the individuals that didn't make it here. We gotta let them know, the ones that come on, let's go! Keep it going, keep it going! Yes! Now, take the spotlight. You earned it. Do something special with it. Do something special with that light. It's yours. You wanted the spotlight, you've always had it. Step out of your comfort zone and be that person. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
Everybody, give it up.
Thank you.
Mr. Tim Grover! Wow. Did I tell you he was going to give you the truth? Or did I tell you he was going to give you the truth? Thank you, Tim. Yes. Our next speakers are the ones that we have to thank. Andrew Cordell and Dan Fleischman.
All right.
Give it up for the DJ. Keep on clapping for a minute. Come on, LA! Can we give Tim Grover a clap as you... Amazing. He's right back there. I love him. And stay standing for a minute. All the Aspire people that put this on, it's good, right? Is this good? He who walks with the wise will stack up more wisdom. You will never see me around fools. I'll talk to a fool for 7 minutes. It's true. But you will not see me rolling with fools. Because fools will make your life unravel. I have worked too hard. My mother worked too hard. She worked 2 jobs at Winchell's Donut Shop, 2 shifts just to support 5 kids. When my father died at 10, I cannot afford to put fools in my inner circle. Because watch, they cannot stab you on the backside if you don't let them on the inside. It's good stuff today. Can you give me 5 more minutes? Clap your hands like you can give me 5 more. Again, the right person. Oh my God, I'm feeling so amazing. I went through a cleansing. Guys, I hang out with everybody. Just I hear all the bullshit. You gotta be the right person with the right plan, but you better watch your partners. He who walks with the wise, you will stack up more wisdom. I study 2 hours a day, 7 days a week. As well as I'm doing, 2 hours a day I studied already. I'm stacking up more wisdom. The other day I was with my friend Deion Sanders. We were talking behind the scenes for 2 hours. I was stacking up more wisdom. I was talking to Dr. J, Julius Irving. I'm stacking up more wisdom. I will stay for my friend Irvin Johnson because I want to stack up more wisdom. You have come today to stack up more wisdom. Somebody clap your hands and shout. He who walks with the wise shall become more wise. Watch. But a companion of fools, your life will unravel. It's like that song, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. If I can get these fools off my legs. Come on. Some of you, you know You go around fools. Some of you live with a fool. You're gonna go home today and go, get out of the damn house. Timmy Story from Compton just told me about someone like you. Get out. So I close with this. Watch how cool this is. There's 3 levels of relationships that you have. Number 1 is the acquaintance. Oh my God, you're from Alabama? I'm from Alabama. That's the acquaintance. You go to Equinox, I go to Equinox. We should Equinox together. That's the acquaintance. Look at me. Very surface. We're very surface world. Very surface. Oh my God, I know him. Oh my God, I know. Oh, she's amazing. Oh my God. Do you really know them? So number 1 is the acquaintance. Number 2 is your friends and family. Please hear me. Number 3 is what I call the green room. The green room is your invited guest. This is what's gonna happen to your life. You're gonna have to kick some people out of your green room. Because some of you have people on the inside that do not celebrate you. Life is gonna put people in your green room that build you up, stir you up, help you up, shake you up, and want you to rise to different, better, and more magical. I'm done talking. Thank you very much. Come on, stand up and clap like you're going there. Keep on clapping like you're going there. Come on, keep on clapping like you're going there. Come on, LA, let's go.
Iron sharpening iron, and you could really see that here today.
I believe more in the person, and I do believe he's going to be successful at the things that he sets out to do.
I tell you, I'd love to do this again anytime with you.
Great experience and loved every minute.
And I love it. And I could definitely sense the joy and the feeling of accomplishment, and so I'm happy for it.
I'm very excited and excited to do it again. Looking forward to more.
Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate you.
Thank you, brother. Keep up the good work. That was really fun. You're good at this.
Everybody give it up! Get on your feet! Come on, come on! For the man himself, Mr. Andrew Porter!
Yeah, you can sit down, man. You keep clapping those shit, boy. I spent like $2 million to put it on.
Find a local community of go-givers. Not videos, not books, not podcasts, physical. Guys, the way to beat ChatGPT, if you need information, you got it on ChatGPT. That ain't changing anybody's lives. What you need is people that are physical proximity. You need a Bethany Willis in your life. You need physical proximity to people doing the thing that you want to do. Sounds obvious when I say it out loud, but so many people get stuck in this little island. They watch their computer screen and they don't change their life. They become a statistic. They lie to themselves like I lied to myself for 7 years. So you need a Bethany Willis in your life. You need somebody to grab you by the shoulders. That's going to be Cole Hatter today. He's going to kind of talk to you guys a little bit about that. Number 2, anybody in here want to be in real estate? Literally everybody should be raising their hand, guys. There's no better business. Every other business pales in comparison to real estate. It just does. Number 2, I want you to find a need inside of the business world that you want to dominate. Whatever that is, you need to find a need. And this sounds so ambiguous. Okay, but in the real estate world, it would be, oh, these people are over here fixing and flipping. They need projects. Let me go help them find projects. How do I do that? Go back to step 1. Physical proximity of people that are doing the thing that you want to do. So when you go and run into a problem, you go back to the physical people that have the solution. Am I right? Okay. Number 3. Sounds silly, sounds stupid. Fill that need. And fail 100 times for every success. That is literally everything. I'm sitting there going back there. I'm talking to Erin. You guys remember Erin? She's the one running the Guadalajara sewing mission. And her husband comes up to me and says, so how did you get to where you are now? What do you guys think was the answer? The answer to his question was this. I said, how did I get to where I'm at now? The answer to that is not how, but what? Who? It was always who. Every single step of the way, it was somebody else passing the torch to me. It was somebody else helping me. It was somebody else loving on me. It was somebody caring for me. It was somebody watching out for me, guiding me, telling me to fail, and being there when I do fail so they can pick me up so I can learn that lesson. So it goes back to step one, every single time, find a physical community, people you can connect with. And so while you're at lunch today, I want you guys to do something for me. I want you guys to find out what people's businesses are, and I want you to ask them what the biggest need in that business is. That's it. It seems so simple, but...
Incredible effort by an NBA legend to help small businesses in need during this pandemic.
If you don't agree, then you can't be confident.
The LA Sparks, they are your WNBA champion. Doctors have won it all in 2020.
I don't invest in sports teams for ego. I invest to win.
And you made it do it!
Magic was the guy who dribbled the ball and did his thing. But Urban Johnson is the guy who's making the impact and really leaving the legacy.
Everybody, show all your love for the legend, Mr. Irvin Magic Johnson!
Oh, wait a minute, I'm at home. I'm gonna say that one more time. What's up, LA? All right, cool. Okay, everybody get their picture up? All right, very good. Now, while you're standing up, stand on up. I want everybody up. High five about 3 people, say it's my turn. Let's go. My turn. Yes. See, you got to believe in yourself. Have a seat.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned a little bit about the sneak peeks of what I got a chance to experience here. So if you see that the Aspire Tour coming to your town next time, make sure to check it out because the ticket was really affordable. I learned so much, not only about a life coach, certificates, real estate, and also coaching, business, and all the things you can think of from this events. So make sure to invest in yourself and attend to connect with these people and learn more to scale your business. And also have a wonderful day and productive week.